I'm out here at our Ponderosa floor plan. We're going to walk you through this home. This address is 636 181st Street, and it's a 2-car. So it's 4 beds, 2.5 bath, and we're going to walk you through it.
What's the square footage, Sarah?
This one is 1,900 square feet, a little bit over. So as you walk in, this nice big entryway, 9-foot ceilings. Walking into the mudroom. And then if you'll come this way, this is the first bedroom or the study. Nice big open windows and lots of storage space in the closet. So we'll walk back out here. You've got your half bath to the right.
What kind of floors are these?
These are wood look tile.
Now, is that a standard feature?
That is a standard feature in our memory series. Most of our homes in Chisholm Creek Farms are in our memory series. So right here you've got a big open kitchen, 2-centimeter quartz counters, really pretty. And of course the electric linear fireplace. So we'll go this way. To the left of the kitchen is the master bedroom.
Natural light.
Lots of natural light. We build all of our homes with 2x6 exterior walls. We build all of them with post-tension foundations so you can ensure they're going to last. And here's the master bath. Huge walk-in shower. We use the Schluter pan shower system in all of our homes.
And what does that do, Sarah? What is that?
That seals the shower so that no water can get out.
Awesome.
It's a really great feature. So in here we walk into the master closet. Really big open master closet. Lots and lots of storage. And it also connects to the laundry room. When you build a home with us, you get to choose the storage in your closet. So you can kind of customize it exactly how you want it.
Awesome.
And then we'll go back out here. Laundry room connects back to the mudroom. And then here's the 2-car. 2-car garage.
And then we have a cutout there, right? That's for the storm shelter?
That is for our storm shelter that we can install for you if you do choose so. So we'll go upstairs. There are 2 more bedrooms upstairs. All of our homes come with tankless hot water heaters, and we have a HERS rating in the 40s and 50s, so we are very energy efficient.
That's awesome.
So bedroom 1. Nice and open, big closet. Again, lots of storage space.
Definitely.
Go to bedroom 2. And then there is another full bath upstairs as well. Another closet.
Awesome.
And a full bath.
Wonderful.
So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us. Again, this is our Ponderosa floor plan. 636 Northwest 181st Street. We'll be here till 6. Come out and see it.